Mall, one of the largest malls in East and Central Africa. My name is Claudia for those who are new here. For those who are watching me for the first time, consider subscribing. Welcome to the squad. Hey guys, let's go around this mall. Let me show how the mall looks like. It's a beautiful mall actually. I think some of you have seen me here before, but I want to keep you updated. So let's go. So is the view from inside, and I just want to go on this route. Hey madam, how are you? Do you like this place? How is it? So guys, let's keep on walking. It looks so good. Yeah, we are going up. Wow, let me show you the view from upstairs, how it looks like. Yeah, what do we call this? What do you call this? Let me know. Oh, look at the view there. Nice one, nice one. Let's keep on going up. We have some shops around here. The mall is so clean, well organized. As I take you around, let me know your view about this mall. We have a supermarket there. Carrefour. Yeah. Let's walk around. Yeah, the view looks so good. Nice. Hi. Sorry. I was thinking. Thank you. So guys, let's go up. Yeah, so guys, the security guy has told me that they don't allow filming around here, so I have to be careful. I have to hide my camera somewhere. Yeah, I have to hide it somewhere. So let's keep on walking. Yeah. I don't know why they don't allow filming here, guys. Wow, guys, look at the view around here. It's so good. The view is so good, guys. Guys, I have to hide my camera. No filming here. Oh, look at this. It is so good. I don't know whether I should go there. So guys, because of my security, I have to get permission to film this place, guys. So I don't know what to do, but I think I should risk. Is it worth the risking? So let me know. If it doesn't work, I'll come at some other day and take you around. Make sure you subscribe.